Emergencies can strike at any time, and when they do, Fairfax County may need to provide safe, organized shelter for displaced individuals and families by opening an emergency shelter. The Fairfax County agencies that support Emergency Support Function 6 conducted a full-scale exercise in August 2024 to enhance their ability to operate an emergency shelter should the need arise. From registration to health services, from food distribution to pet sheltering, emergency shelters are dynamic environments designed to offer support in times of crisis. Registration is the first point of contact for residents entering the shelter. It's critical to document essential information to ensure proper care and coordination of services. Here, residents will provide basic personal details, including names, ages, family members, any medical conditions, and identify any access or functional needs. Having accurate records allows shelter staff to quickly address needs, track the case management process, and offer personalized services. For example, some individuals may need specialized assistance due to mobility issues, language barriers, or medical needs. Next, we move to case management, where trained professionals work one-on-one with shelter residents to assess their needs and help coordinate long-term recovery plans. Case managers will identify immediate needs, such as housing, medical care, and continuation of previously received services. By maintaining ongoing contact, case managers ensure shelter residents are connected with the right services to help them get back to normal, or as close to normal as they were pre-disaster. Within the shelter, the dormitory unit provides a safe space for individuals and families to sleep. Shelters offer cots and comfort kits with basic necessities, ensuring that everyone has a designated space to rest. Special accommodations may be needed, such as additional space for larger families, quiet or private areas for individuals with specific needs, or separate areas for men and women. Depending on the emergency, dormitories can be flexible and adapt to varying levels of needs. The health unit is essential for addressing both minor injuries and management of medical needs. Many shelter residents may have pre-existing conditions or may have been exposed to hazardous conditions during the emergency. Health professionals are on site to provide services ranging from first aid to mental health assessments. The health unit also plays a role in disease prevention and monitoring for outbreaks. Access to healthcare in shelters must also consider access and functional needs. This includes those requiring mobility aids, individuals with chronic health conditions, or others needing assistance to access care. Food is another vital service in an emergency shelter. Shelters typically offer meals, snacks, and water to ensure that all residents are well nourished. Volunteers and staff work around the clock to meet dietary restrictions, cultural requirements, and provide adequate nutrition. Special accommodations are made for those with dietary needs, such as allergies, religious dietary restrictions, or specific health conditions, like diabetes. Pets are important members of many families, and shelters must consider the needs of animals during emergencies. Pet sheltering provides a safe place for pets to stay while their owners seek assistance. Certain Fairfax County shelters have been identified as pet-friendly shelters. If residents bring a pet to a shelter without pet sheltering capabilities, the Department of Animal Sheltering will ensure the pet is safely sheltered. Residents are encouraged to bring their pets food and any other comfort items they have. If residents are unable to provide these items, they can be provided by the Department of Animal Sheltering. The Department of Animal Sheltering ensures that families can reunite with their pets once the emergency is over. Throughout all units, it's critical to address access and functional needs. Shelters must ensure that their facilities are accessible. This means providing wheelchair ramps, accessible bathrooms, and clear signage. It also involves ensuring that individuals with hearing or visual impairments have access to communication, such as written instructions or sign language interpreters. Functional needs may also extend to medical equipment, such as oxygen or mobility devices. Emergency shelters are designed to provide short-term critical support in a time of crisis. Each unit works together to ensure safety, security, and support for everyone. While sheltering is just one part of disaster response, it's a critical element that helps communities bounce back from crisis. To learn more about preparing for an emergency shelter, please visit the Community Emergency Response Guide.